y'all, it's Adaisha and I'm back with another video finally. Today I'm showing you guys my updated wash routine. This is the before and this is what it looks like after using Olaplex. So all I use is Olaplex now and you guys are gonna see why, okay? This stuff is no joke. This whole system has changed my hair for the better, so let's get into it. So the first thing I do is put my hair in 4 sections and use the No. 0 bond building treatment all over my hair. Sometimes I like to split each section into 2 because I got some thick hair. And now I'm gonna put the No. 3 hair perfector on top of No. 0, and this helps reduce breakage and further strengthen the hair. Then after that, I like to finger detangle and just make sure the product is really saturated in my hair and put it each section in a bantu knot. And just do that all over my head. Now that all of the sections have the treatment in it, I'm going to put some plastic wrap over my hair, and then I put a conditioning cap over top of that and let this sit for 10 minutes. After letting that sit for 10 minutes, I'm going to fully rinse out all the product out of my hair. Once all that product is rinsed out, I shampoo my hair with the No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And my hair is still in 4 sections. And a little goes a long way with this stuff, so don't go crazy with the shampoo like I did. After I shampoo each section, I rinse it all out. And of course, once I do that, my hair shrinks up like crazy. But at least my hair already feels stronger, so that's a plus. Now I'm going to use the No. 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner on each section of my hair and detangle with my paddle brush. I like to split each section in half to really saturate my hair again because it's so thick and it's shrunk up, so it just makes it easier to detangle. I'm gonna put that section into one ponytail and get it out the way and do the same thing to all the other sections. Now that I'm done conditioning and detangling, I'm gonna put some plastic wrap over my hair again and leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. But this time I'm gonna add my bonnet and my blow dryer just to intensify this conditioning treatment. You know, I need as much moisture as I can get. And after I rinse out the conditioner, I put in the No. 6 Bond Smoother. And this is basically just a leave-in reparative styling treatment, and it helps speed up the blow drying time while protecting your hair and strengthening it at the same time. So I put that on each section of my hair and blow dry each section as I go. And I'm using the Silverbird blow dryer, and I love this blow dryer because it really blows out natural hair so well. After blow drying, I'm going to do a quick trim. The video I used to learn how to do my own trim is linked below. And this is what my hair looks like after the trim, and that's it. I'll see y'all next week with my next protective style.